Hi students, today I am going to explain properties of amines. I am going to explain this properties of amines. Previous videos I was discussed is a preparation of amines. Today I will discuss with the properties of amines. Lower aliphatic amines. Lower aliphatic amines are gaseous and fishy smell it is very important, my dear students. Lower aliphatic amines are gaseous and fishy smell. Next point. Okay, amines more than 3 carbons in amines. More than 3 carbons in amines or liquids. It is very important, my dear students. Next, it is more than 8 carbons. More than 8 carbons in amines or it is a solids. Okay, very important, my dear students. Amines. These all are it is a physical. Okay, these all are it is a physical properties of amines. Lower aliphatic amines are gaseous. According to this one, it is a first and secondary. Methylamine and ethylamine are gaseous, and the propylamine also are gaseous. What is the second point here, my dear students? More than 3 carbons in amines. That is a from fourth carbon, butanamine. Okay, more than 8 carbons. That means it is a ninth carbon. From ninth carbon onwards, it is a they are solids. Lower aliphatic amines. It is a lower aliphatic. Lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water. It is very important due to the presence of hydrogen bonding. It is very important. Okay, so next one, higher aliphatic amines. It is a higher aliphatic, lower aliphatic amines. It is a amines are soluble in water. Higher aliphatic amines are insoluble or solubility decreases due to hydrophobic nature of alkyl groups. It is a alkyl groups. These are it is a physical properties of amines. My dear students, it is very important. Next one, chemical properties of amines. Chemical properties of amines. Chemical properties of amines. Okay, I forgot one more that is a point, my dear students. It is a boiling point of amines. Suppose you have to take this one. It is a boiling point of amines. That is a CH3, CH2. Next one, it is CH2. It is a NH2. It is primary amine, my dear students. Next one, CH3. Okay, CH3, NH and C2H5. It is secondary amine. Next one, it is a CH3, it is N, it is a CH3 it is a CH3. Lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. These all are, it is a isomers of, it is a amines. You have to observe here 3 carbons, 1 nitrogen. Okay, so hydrogens 3 plus, okay, it is a 3 plus 2, 5, it is a 9. It is a 5, 6, 9. Okay, these are, it is a, this one. My dear students, which are having, it is a higher boiling point, primary, secondary and tertiary. It is order is 1 degree is greater than, 2 degree is greater than 3 degree. Due to the presence of, it is very very important, due to the presence of hydrogen, more number of hydrogen bonding. You have to see here, it forms, it is a 2 hydrogen bonds. It can form, it is a 1 hydrogen bond. There is no hydrogen bond. That's why, which is higher boiling point? Boiling point order is a 1 degree is greater than, 2 degree is greater than, it is a 3 degree. Okay, next one, chemical properties. My dear students, chemical properties. Suppose it is a, if you take, it is a primary amines, or it is a NH2, it is lone pair. Next one, or it is a NH, for the sake of difference it is a R dash. Next one, it is N, okay, N, it is lone pair, it is R and okay, R dash or double dash. You have to see here, this is primary amine, this is secondary amine, this is tertiary amine. Primary and secondary amine. So it has, okay, it contains 2 acidic hydrogens. Acidic hydrogens, very important. These 2 are acidic hydrogens. It contains 1 acidic hydrogen. It contains, it is a 0 acidic hydrogens. Chemical reactivity, it is depends on, chemical reactivity, it is depends on lone pair and acidic hydrogen. So suppose it is a, it contains all the amines, primary, secondary, tertiary, all the amines must be present in, it is a lone pair. Each amine must be contains lone pair, but in primary, secondary, primary contains, it is a 2 acidic hydrogens, and secondary contains, it is a 1 acidic hydrogen, and tertiary it is a 0 acidic hydrogens. Okay, basic nature of amines. Okay, now I'll explain, is a basic nature of amines. My dear students, basic nature of amines. Basic nature of amines. Generally, neutralization means, you know very well, that is a, when acid react with the base to form, when acid react with the base to form, it is a salt and water. Salt and water. This is the procedure. This is called as a neutralization, my dear students. Due to the presence of lone pairs, due to the presence of lone pair on, it is a ammonia or amines, they are considered as a base. According to Lewis acid base theory, electron pair donor is a base, electron pair acceptor is a acid. It is very very important, my dear students. Now due to the presence of lone pair of, okay, due to the presence of lone pair on ammonia and amines, they act as a base. Okay, so you have to see here, that is a R, my dear students, R NH2, NH2 lone pair, it is a primary amine, plus it is a HX. See here, my dear students. Okay, that is a R NH3, it is plus, and X minus, it is a salt is formed. Am I right? There is salt is formed. Similarly, it is a, this is salt. Similarly, suppose if you take this one, it is a aniline pi bond, it is a NH2, it is a aromatic amine, plus it is a HX gives rise to. What happened here? This hydrogen is adding, it is a, this one, anilinium salt. see here, pi bond, it is a NH3, it is plus and X minus. It is a anilinium salt. That is the case. It is a ammonia primary amine, as it is a basic in nature. It is very very important. It is a anilinium salt. This is the basic nature of amines. Next one. This is very very important, my dear students. See here. It is a RNH2. It is a RNH2 plus it is a H2O gives rise to, my dear students. See here. Okay. It is RNH3. It is plus and OH minus. Okay. At the equilibrium, that is a K is equal to products by reactants. That is a RNH3 plus, it is a concentration, and OH minus concentration, it is divided by, okay, so concentration of, it is very very important, concentration of, it is a NH2, it is a concentration of, it is a NH2, it is a lone pair. My dear students, that is a cross multiplication, that is K into, okay, K into, it is a RNH2 primary amine, okay, that is equal to, my dear students, it is RNH3, okay, RNH3, it is plus and OH minus. According to equilibrium, this is called as a Kb. Dissociation constant for base, it is a Kb, that is a RNH3, it is plus and OH minus, my dear students. According to this one, it is a Kb is directly proportional to, it is a strength of base. It is Kb is directly proportional to concentration of OH minus. Kb is inversely proportional to, it is a pKb. It is very very important formula, my dear students. That is pKb is equal to, one formula is there, that is a pKb is equal to, it is very important, my dear students, pKb is equal to minus log Kb. pKb is equal to minus log Kb. This is the formula, my dear students. So according to this one, it is very important. Kb is directly proportional to strength of base. Kb is directly proportional to OH minus ions. As the number of OH minus ion concentration increase, Kb value increase, acidic strength increase. But Kb and pKb is inversely proportional to. So it is increases. It is a decreases. My dear students, it is very important. Okay, next one. Okay, see all of you. Suppose in case, okay, if you take this a ammonia, okay, ammonia pKb value of ammonia, it is a pKb values, and ammonia, it is very very important. Next, primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. What is the pKb value of, it is a ammonia? Very important. That is a 4.75. It is 4.75. Next one. This range, it is a 3.75 to 3.75 to, it is a 4.22. Okay, we have discussed, it is a, what you observed here, it is a Kb is inversely proportional to, it is a pKb. Okay, this is the formula. What is the meaning, my dear students? pKb value increases, Kb value decreases. Kb value decreases, basic strength decreases. So according to this one, pKb value, which one is higher here? It is a NH3. NH3, it is a least basic in nature because of it is least base. According to it is a pKb values, that is what we observed here, it is a NH3 is less than, primary amine is less than, secondary amine is less than tertiary amines. According to this order, it is very very important, my dear students. This is the basic strength order. Okay, now it is a this one. Next one. Okay, order of basicity of amines. Order of basicity of amines. Order of basicity of amines. This is very important, my dear students. Okay, first one it is a first positive inductive effect. According to positive inductive effect, it is, my dear students. See here, it is a in gas phase. It is also very important. In gas phase, you have to see, my dear students. Suppose, see here, it is a or it is a NH2. It is a lone pair. Next one, it is a or, it is NH, it is R dash, it is a lone pair. Next one, it is a R, it is N lone pair, it is a R dash, it is a R double dash. My dear students, it is primary amine, it is secondary amine, it is a tertiary amines. What you observe here, it contains one alkyl group. It contains two alkyl groups. It contains three alkyl groups. As the number of alkyl groups increase, alkyl groups are electron donating in nature. They are donating. They are electron donating groups. It is a alkyl means it is a suppose methyl. Methyl is electron donating groups. As the number of electron donating groups increase, for example, this is donated to electron to nitrogen. It is donated to electron nitrogen. It is also donated electron nitrogen. What you observe here, electron density on nitrogen it is increases. Comparatively, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Tertiary amine nitrogen has a high electron density. That's why it is a more basic in nature. According to it is a Lewis acid base theory, electron pair it is a which one is ready to donate electron pair, that is base. That is a here it is a 3 degree is greater than 2 degree is greater than it is a 1 degree. It is very important, my dear students. Okay, next one. Okay, very important. Next one, in solvation effect. It is a this is a A for example. Next one it is a B, you have to see solvation effect. Solvation effect. Okay, my dear students, in solvation effect, what do you observe here? In solvation effect, or it is a aqueous medium or liquid phase. You have to see aqueous or it is a liquid phase. In liquid phase. Okay. In presence of this, what happened here? It is a suppose you have to see there is a R and the primary amine it is a NH2 is lone pair. In presence of water, what happened here? It is a H plus. So gives rise to it is a R NH3. It is a plus. It is a cation. It is very important. The stability of cation increases. Stability of cation increases, basic strength increases. Cation stability depends on hydrogen bonding. Suppose if you take this one, it is a primary amines. In primary amines, what this one are? It is a N plus hydrogen and hydrogen. My dear students. In case secondary this one, what do you observe here? It is a R, it is N plus hydrogen, it is a R and hydrogen. Next one, my dear students, it is a third one. So in 3 degree, you have to see here it is a R, N, plus it is a R and R, it is a H. You have to see here 3 hydrogens are there. It can form it is a 3 hydrogen bonding. This one it is a 2 hydrogens are there. It can form it is a 2 hydrogen bonds. Here it is a 1 hydrogen. It form it is a 1 hydrogen bond. As the number of hydrogen bond increases, As the number of hydrogen bonds increase, it is a stability of cation increases. In this case, according to solvation effect, which is a strong base, it is very important, my dear students. According to plus I effect, 3 degree is greater than 2 degree is greater than 1 degree. According to solvation effect, which is more base, that is a 1 degree is greater than 2 degree is greater than, it is a 3 degree. It is very important, my dear students. Okay, so it is a, this is the plus I effect, positive inductive effect. In gaseous phase, 3 degree is greater than 2 degree is greater than 1 degree. In solvation, it is opposite side. So as the number of positive I effect groups increase, that is alkyl group is responsible for, it is a alkyl group is responsible for positive I effect increases, it is a basic nature increase. As the stability of cation increases, basic nature increases. Which is more stable, which can form, it is a more number of hydrogen bonds, that is more stable. So primary can form, it is a more number of bonds. Okay, and that is a last theory, steric hindrance. It is B. Next one, it is a steric hindrance. Steric hindrance. It is a way, or crowdiness. It is a crowd. Okay, so crowd. My dear students, see here, it is a or NH2. It is a lone pair. Next one, it is a R. NH. It is R dash. Next one, it is a R. It is N. Okay, lone pair, lone pair. Okay, next one, it is a R dash. It is a R. It is a double dash. We have to see here, it is a primary, it is secondary, it is a tertiary. It is very, very important, my dear students. So here in steric hindrance, as the number of it is a crowdness increase, availability of it is a lone pair, it is decrease. According to steric hindrance, which is the order here, my dear students? Here more steric hindrance. Okay, so it is more number of crowdiness is there. It is more, okay, nitrogen surrounding more crowd, it is less crowd, there is no crowd. As the crowd increases, it is a basic nature, it is a decrease. Okay, basic nature, it is the decrease. In this, it is a, which is strong, this one, it is 1 degree. 1 degree is greater than 2 degree is greater than 3 degree. What you are observed here, my dear students, okay, it is very important. According to properties, the basicity of amines, it is depends on, it is a 3 theories. That the first one, it is a, what the first one? According to positive inductive effect. According to, it is a plus I effect. Plus I effect. What is the order, my dear students? It is 3 degree is greater than 2 degree is greater than, it is 1 degree. According to solvation effect, okay, what is the order, my dear students? That is a 1 degree is greater than 2 degree is greater than 3 degree. That is the steric hindrance and the solvation effect. Both are, it is same. So it is like that only. But according to conclusion, according to experimental conditions, okay, conclusion is there. Okay, on conclusion, okay, experimental conditions, my dear students, experimental conditions. Experimental conditions. Okay, so experimental conditions, what happened here, my dear students? It is very, very important. R is equal to, it is a C2H5, it is a ethyl group is there. Okay, which one is strong base? 2 degree is greater than 1 degree. Okay, sorry, 2 degree is greater than 3 degree is greater than, it is very important. 3 degree is greater than, it is a 1 degree, very important. 2 degree is greater than, 3 degree is greater than 1 degree. In case of R is equal to CH3, it is methyl, it is ethyl. What is the order, my dear students? It is a 2 degree is greater than, 1 degree is greater than, it is a 3 degree. What you observed here? Okay, so anyhow comparison these two, highest basic nature, it is a secondary and a secondary only. Next one you have to see, it is more number of carbons, okay, it is less number of carbons. If more number of carbons are there, Okay, 3 degree is a strong, okay, 3 degree is a strong base than primary. In less number of carbons, it is a reverse. 2 degree is greater than, 1 degree is greater than 3 degree. It is very, very important concept, my dear students. Don't confusion. So, it is the experimental conditions. Suppose, see there. In case of, it is a basic nature of aniline. Okay, suppose I take one more thing. Aniline and ammonia, which is, it is a strong base. Basic nature of, okay, aniline is less than, it is a aniline. See here, pi bond, pi bond, pi bond. It is a NH2. It is a lone pair, and NH3, which is strong base. Okay, so it is weak base. Aniline is weak base due to resonance. It is very, very important. Due to resonance. Ammonia, it is a resonance structures. It has a resonance structures. There is no resonance structures. That's why it is a order of basic nature. It is a aniline. Okay, aniline is less than, NH3 is less than. It is a alkyl amines. Alkyl amines, my dear students, this one, it is very, very important. Why amine is a less basic than ammonia? Due to resonance. Due to resonance. That's all.